Find the centroid of the figure with the vertices 4, 3, negative 2, 3, negative 2, negative 5, and 4, negative 5. Well, you can see that I've set up my formula as the centroid is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 plus x sub 3 plus x sub 4 divided by 4. And the y-coordinate is y sub 1 plus y sub 2 plus y sub 3 plus y sub 4 divided by 4. When I make my substitution, I'll have negative 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus negative 2 all divided by 4. And then I'll have 3 plus 3 plus negative 5 plus negative 5 all divided by 4. That gives me 4 over 4, comma, negative 4 over 4, which is equal to 1, negative 1 is the centroid.